my friends. Today, I want to tell you a story about life, a story about courage, and a story about choosing yourself. There was a boy named Arjun. Arjun was kind. Arjun was helpful. Arjun always cared about others, but Arjun had one problem. He always chose others, and he never chose himself. When people asked for help, he always said yes. Even when he was tired, he said yes. Even when he wanted to rest, he said yes. Slowly, his heart became tired. His mind became heavy. He felt lost inside. One evening, Arjun was sitting alone on his rooftop, looking at the sky. He whispered softly, "What about me? What about my happiness? What about my dreams?" His eyes became wet. He felt pain because he realized he had forgotten himself. Just then, his father came and sat beside him. His father looked at him and asked gently, "My son, why are you sad?" Arjun spoke slowly. "I always try to make everyone happy. I always think about others, but I never choose myself. And now, I feel empty." His father smiled softly and said, "My child, choosing yourself is not selfish. Choosing yourself is necessary. You also deserve care. You also deserve love. You also deserve happiness." He held Arjun's shoulder and said, "If you always choose others and forget yourself, you will break inside. Your dreams matter. Your feelings matter. You matter." Arjun listened quietly. His heart felt warm. For the first time, he understood something important. He whispered, "So, I should choose myself too?" His father smiled and said, "Yes, choose yourself. Choose your peace, choose your growth, choose your life, because when you are happy, then you can truly make others happy." From that day, Arjun changed. He still helped people. He still cared. He still loved. But now, he also cared for himself. He took time to rest. He followed his dreams. He protected his peace. And slowly, he felt stronger. He felt happier. He felt free. Because when you choose yourself, you respect your heart. You respect your life. You respect who you are. Final message. My friends, this message is for you too. Sometimes life makes you forget yourself. Sometimes you care for everyone, but not for you. But remember, you are important. Your dreams are important. Your happiness is important. Do not be afraid to say, "I choose myself. I choose my peace. I choose my life." Because choosing yourself is the first step to loving yourself. Ending line, thank you for listening. Keep learning English. Keep believing in yourself. And always remember, sometimes in life, you must choose yourself.